Hello everyone, it is Andrea, and today I am coming at you with this week's new releases. This video is also going up late because I just don't have my life together currently, but I hope you understand. So let's go ahead and get right on into it. So first things first is we have the two new foil bundles for this week. They are in special pricing from Wednesday through Sunday, if you didn't know. So first things first, I think this was a mystery overstock, and this is in the color Sparkly Hollow, and this is, I believe it's called Sparkle. That design in Sparkly Hollow, so it'll go with literally so much. So you have your 2 pages of full boxes and headers, you have your underlays, you have your, these are like the old scripts, so this is a mystery overstock, as well as the bottom washi date numbers deco and headers. So that is the first little foil bundle. And the second one here, I'm actually not even sure what color this is. It looks like a light gold. I have to really inspect her compared to other foils. But doesn't this look like a light gold to you? I have to like give a comparison to this to our regular gold so you can maybe see what regular gold looks like. See the difference? This definitely is like a light gold, right? Versus that. This is a regular gold. So I think this is a light gold, which is really, 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 really pretty. And the confetti version too, with the bougie, the newer icons. So stinking pretty. Love that one. I think that'll be really pretty with like holiday spreads as well. So those are the new foil bundles. Special pricing of $9.95 from Wednesday through Sunday, so definitely get your hands on those. The next thing I have is something different. Well, first things first is I do want to remind you that we still do have the June Mystery 2024 extras in shop. So actually I forgot, did I even put those up? I don't think I did. So those will be up. Whenever you see this video, they will be up. That is my bad. I apologize on that one. So those will be available. And then I also have these. So I have been loving the like underlay situation, and I made I think it was my June kit lineup. I made these. So that'll be fun to try. Where is this one? I made these like full box underlays, and I was going to put these like the like clear bougie on top. And then I was like, you know what? I could do like marble. And I was like thinking of all these different ones. And I was like, Andrea, I don't know if anybody besides you wants this. So maybe start small. So I am starting small, and you can either put these just underneath as like a base, or you can use them as like an underlay, like for underneath your bougie boxes. Do you know what I'm saying? So marble, black, just starting simple, but I figured that these would be great for layering, or even if you just want to have some for extra full boxes for like quotes and things, you got options. So just going to give these two a trial and see if you like them. If you like them, maybe I'll come out with more colors and things. So we have black and again, marble. Those will be available Wednesday at noon Eastern. And then we're going to go on into the kits. I do have one reformat this week, and that is going to be the Southern Comfort kit, which was last year's, I believe, June mystery. Super pretty, kind of like Savannah, Georgia type base, Southern vibes. It was a well-loved summer collection of last year. It kind of gives me like late summer, early fall vibes, but kind of for the South be like very anytime. So that is the kit there. Super stinking pretty. I think I used matte bronze, or I don't know if it was, I think it was matte bronze, and then I used like a foil color from Hannah. It was like a greenish foil, and it was really pretty. I also think this would be really good with rose, in my opinion. So you have that in mini and ultimate, and then let me show you the add-on options. You have doodle, you have doodle 2, there's also fashion, there is the label, there's the label and the label 2, as well as ombre pattern boxes. And then we do have all of the scribbler options as well, of course. So that is going to be Southern Comfort, which again is from Mystery last year, so it is exclusive art. Then we'll move on to this kit here, which is called Game On. And I sat for a while thinking, what am I going to do here? Because basically, obviously, there was like a lot of colors going on this kit, and I was like, I want to try and keep the base kit kind of neutral. so that you could then like bring in your team colors. You could use it for different teams based on, adding different foils or bringing in the colors from the label sampler. Or if you just wanted to use it for a general soccer kit for vibes, you could keep it black and white. Like, you had options here, you know what I mean? Like, you could do green foil and keep it basic, or black would be fun. Or you could bring in, like, I don't know soccer teams, but you could bring in like red if your soccer team has red in it. But here you have your bag with the soccer ball, your little uniform, some food, this fashion option here, which just has like the white with the black shirt, a trophy cup kind of thing, your living room, and some more food. I like food boxes, so very cute. Again, I stuck it to neutral. And you can, I think, ideally, you could do like the neutral and then bring in a foil color to match. Like maybe red is the color, so get a red foil. Maybe green is the foil, get green. Or like I said, we have the label samplers that you could bring in like 2 of the colors and like make it more like swap out some of these different colors here. You have the like playing the games and like chips, as well as drinks and popcorn. Super stinking cute. I love black and white kits. I think they're so fun and very versatile. And then I love this bottom wash. I think it was so fun. And then perfect for a quote box. The freebie and the ultimate and the mini is 2 different fashion options. I couldn't tell you the team names, but there are those 2. And then I was like trying to figure out like what I wanted to do about all of the fashion like teams and things. And when I ultimately decided on, which I'll show you in a second, I'll just show you in a second. So we do have the pattern boxes, which are really pretty. I love this pattern here. It's really cool. Ombre, label, and then there is a bunch of label add-ons. Like I said, you can totally kind of customize this based on your team's colors. So there is label 2, 3, 4, and 5. So mix and match, leave it all black and white, bring in the foil, pull in some of these. There's plenty of options there. And then as far as the fashion options go, I just used the ones that the artist supplied. So between the 2 and the freebie and all of these are the ones that she supplied. I think that there was like 2 that had shirts but didn't have fashion, so I just kind of like mix and matched. But yeah. So you have lots of teams represented here. And then you do have Doodle and Doodle 2. And these are also nice, like if you're not into soccer, but you want to get some like maybe scribblers that are more grayscale, or the doodles, or the label sampler, like or ombre, if you're looking for a more neutral colorway just to pick up some extras and add-ons for, or like I said, the doodles, like it's a great one to utilize those add-on options as well. And then last but certainly not least, we do have Sunshine, which is really pretty kit and chest art. I love it because this is like my kind of summer vibes, just kind of like chilling, vibing. So you have the cutest fashion people, of course. I love the romance books. It's just so good. And the Kindle, and they're like just so gorgeous. And then you have the little skincare refrigerator, the backyard patio with the grill and the seating, and then the cute little fashion flat lay. I am obsessed. I also love watermelon because it reminds me of my kids, and strawberries because it reminds me of Lila, because my kids just love watermelon, and Lila loves she calls them strawberries. I think it's so cute. And you have Scribble, which I thought was adorable, and again, more strawberries and more watermelon, which just reminds me of my kidders because they just love their fruits. Love these patterns, of course. Love the colors. I think they're really pretty. I love the hand with the different scrunchies on it. I just think they're so cute. And this bottom washi is adorable. So, obviously, just generally very obsessed with this. I personally think that I'm going to use this in July. I think it'd also be really pretty June kit, or if you want to, like, our full-on kits this year, I think it could be a good May kit if you live in a warmer climate like I do for next year. There is Doodle, and then there also is Doodle 2. The fashion in this is so cute. Then we also do have Label and Label 2. I do actually really like the green. I might try and pull her in. There is also Ombre, and then there is also the pattern boxes, which I actually just have like scenes here because I think all of them would be really good for quotes, and I didn't really have room for them in the main kit, so I figured that's where they're living now. And then there is also the scribblers, and then let me show you the fashion options, which is I love all of them, but I especially love this one. because this is just the most, like, energy. You know what I mean? You're just reading. It's the people we met on vacation, I believe, which I did like. So, super cute. Super, super cute. And that is everything for Sunshine, and I am very excited for this kit. As far as foil goes, for this one, I think I might just use silver or, like, even that light gold. Be really pretty with this one. Maybe I'll actually do that. I think it could be a vibe, but also be really pretty with silver if you want to switch it up a little bit. So, again, we have Sunshine. We have this one, which I would just recommend doing your team's colors or keeping it black and white. I think any of those options are fun. I feel like if you bring in the colors, maybe do like black, like soccer related underlays, or even just like black bougie boxes would be really fun as well. Or you could get like real fancy, and you could do like all the colors and then do this with like rainbow on top of it. It'd be really fun. That's my suggestion there. Or if you want to like keep it basic, you could do like silver. This one I think would be really pretty with like the matte bronze, rose kind of situation, but also would look really good with silver. If I had to pick between like the core, I think silver would be really, really good with this one. I think that's maybe what the foil color that it came with, because it just is screaming silver. Again, these will be available. I'm sorry that they weren't on the first. I forgot. It's been a long weekend. We have Confetti version 2 in the Confetti 2, and then we have the Sparkly Hollow in the Sparkle. It'll be in the new release section, and then the 2 new, I'll probably call them like colored full boxes, or like just full boxes, and then they'll be in colors. But that's everything. Also, sorry this video is gonna be late, but it's just the way the cookie's crumbling recently. I hope you're having a great week. Thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to y'all in my next video. Which actually, maybe this week I'll put up a couple extra, because I've been kind of like slacking. So, love you. Talk to you later. Bye.